What is up guys, Stromatic here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually allow your Hermes agent to research properly for you. So a big thing is, a lot of people that they don't know is that Hermes has tons of skills and different profiles that you can use to help you research on specific topics that other AI agents can't really do for you. So first off, you're going to have to start by installing Hermes agent. And from there, all you have to do is we're going to have to create a new profile, but also ensure that you have all of your capabilities and all your skills unlocked. So when you open up Hermes agent, in the top left here, you're going to see capabilities, okay? And when you press this, you're going to see all these different skills. So it says skills, tools, MCP, browse hub. So, you can also enable all your tools. But in this case scenario, make sure that all the skills that are right here are enabled. And there's going to be everything, like anywhere from maps, Notion, like all these different things. Also, it will be able to learn certain skills. So the thing is, the more you use Hermes agent, the more skills that it's going to be able to learn on its own, and then use that to help you within your, future chats and with other agents and models as well. So we can already see up here we have layout recovery, YouTube channel strategy, macOS computer use. These are all skills that have been learned from me actually chatting with my Hermes agent. So like I said, the more you use it, the more skills you're going to have. So I definitely suggest that you go here to capabilities and ensure that you have all the skills enabled. Next up, what you're going to do, obviously you can use bots, but we're just going to be doing a new profile. So if you go down here in the bottom left, it's going to be new profile. You're going to press this, and I highly suggest, because here's the thing, you can go to your main homepage right now where it says, show all profiles. You can go to your switch to the default right here where you start your whole entire session and has all of your main sessions. You can do that here, but the thing is, I highly recommend, if you are going to be researching something and it's going to stay around a certain topic, let's say for example, like you have it for LinkedIn, which is what we're going to use for this example. If you can use it for LinkedIn, ensure that you have a separate profile that revolves all around LinkedIn. All the conversations, all the sessions, all the chats are around LinkedIn. You can do it on your homepage, but it's just not only going to mix it all up and kind of have everything in a certain different spot, but it's also going to allow it to, have one dedicated profile. And then when you are using it with the bot mode, then you'll have the bots that have the LinkedIn, all the information regarding your LinkedIn, and then you can have bots talking to it from there, right? So when you have that new profile right here, your LinkedIn profile, for example, like in this case scenario, right, that we're going to be having the bot that is a LinkedIn profile, not my actual LinkedIn profile, but the profile for LinkedIn. All these different bots can chat with each other and have updates regarding that certain profile. So we're going to press new profile here in the bottom left, and we're just going to call it LinkedIn, okay? You can also, like I said previously, you can clone, but here's the big thing: when you are going to be making a model that's going to be, or a profile that's going to be revolving around research, here's the thing, and you can see here, profiles are independent Hermes environments, separate config, skills, and SolMD, okay? So for the SolMD, I've already showed this in a previous video, if you check my channel below, but the thing is, to rate your SolMD, I highly recommend you do this using your Gemini app subscription, anything. You can use other LLMs. You can use even Hermes if you'd like. But I just like Gemini the most. So for writing the SolMD, we're just going to do write me a SolMD for a Hermes agent that is a LinkedIn expert and knows all of the best professional habits. Okay, so I know there's spelling mistakes, whatever. So I'm gonna have it write me this quick little SolMD. Going back to here, like I said, you don't have to, you don't have to write the SolMD. You can like Hermes will just make one for you, or you can just leave it as like a one line or whatever you create. But I highly suggest, especially if you're gonna allow Hermes agent to do research for you, I highly suggest you write your own SolMD. So here we go. Here's the LinkedIn SolMD that Google has written for us. You can see revamps, content generation, professional habits, right? So we're going to copy the link right here. Go here, paste this, create the profile, and you'll be able to see, boom, we have LinkedIn right here. So now you can allow your Hermes agent to really focus in on whatever research that you want to do. Again, like I said, that could be for LinkedIn, Instagram, that's just social media applications, but it can be for anything. Like it can be for writing, it could be for, learning how to APA format properly, okay? Also, another big thing is ensure that you are choosing the right model for the right task. So you can, GPT does have OAuth, so you can use GPT with your Hermes agent. So, it's obviously going to have more context, bigger context windows than something else. Personally, I like using like cheaper stuff just right now because I don't really need the thinking like all the effort in the world right now, but like I said, so find what model works best for you in terms of your research. So let's say, for example, if you are doing like some, very insightful, like broad research that is very, humanity revolves around this, then you might be better off using, 5.6 Sol or Fable 5. But if it is something that's, just like quick tasks, that's nothing like too serious, like let's say, hey, check out my Google business profile and tell me what I should work on, you don't need like 5.6 Sol. You can, don't get me wrong, you can, but do you need it? Absolutely not. There's also the free ones that you can use as well. Within limits. So I definitely highly suggest that you find the model that works for you. Again, you can really go into, like, let's say even just your homepage, or you make a profile that's revolves around, cost efficiency. You could have a conversation with your Hermes agent and discuss what model might work or will work best for you. Like I said, DeepSeek works best for me right now in terms of cost, but if there's a model that might work better for you, you and Hermes can chat and see which one would be best. Like I said, it also depends on your topic, your research. If this is, like I said, world changing, then maybe you want to use 5.6 Sol or you want to use Fable 5, but I think some of the cheaper ones are just fine. So like I said, yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you're researching in the comments below. And if you have any questions, I'm always happy to help. As always, guys, it's been the one and only Stromatic. Peace.